So if we have a fixed point, right, and we have a fixed distance, and I just try to find all those points, right, which are equidistant, that is the distances are from this fixed point, right? So what I will get is, I will get a circle. So when I'm saying what is a circle, so circle is the locus of all those points whose distance from a fixed point is constant. Yes, so when I'm saying locus, but a locus means address. Locus means address. See, आपको अगर देखा जाए तो locus क्या होता है? Locus basically कोई भी equation है. What is, if I give you equation y is equal to 5? So what is that equation? So that equation, so this is my, so this is my x-axis, right? This is my y-axis, right? And this is my 2D plane, right? So what is y is equal to 5? So y is equal to 5 will be some line here. है ना? Y is equal to 5. If I ask you what is x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 means all those points which are at distance 3 from the origin, right? So basically ये equations क्या बता रही हैं? Equations आपको कुछ points बता रही हैं जो कुछ एक property को satisfy करते हैं. So when I'm saying x is equal to 3 means all those points whose distance from x-axis is 3 units. When I'm saying y is equal to 5, so this is all those points whose distance is 5 from y-axis. So basically, equation gives you the address of the points, or it gives you the collection of the points which satisfy some same property. So this is the reason they are also known as locus. So locus means what? Locus is a collection of points which satisfy some common property, right? So if I talk about a circle, so circle is what? Circle is the collection of all those points whose distance from the fixed point is same. That fixed point is known as the center, and the fixed distance is known as the radius, right? So this is circle. So that is the reason either we say equation or we say locus. It's the same thing, right? So locus gives you the equation, right? So that is the address of the point, right? So this all you know from your junior classes. So circle is a collection of all those points whose distance from the fixed point O is constant, right? So already आप equation आप use करते हो circle की. So let me just say that this point O, let me say this point O, that is the center, is HK. And let me take any point on the circle, say any point P on the circle. Say P is XY. Right? तो हमें क्या करना है? अब हमें equation निकालनी है circle की. So circle की equation का मतलब क्या हुआ? I want to find that relationship जिसको XY satisfy करता है. Yes, I want to find that relationship जिसको XY satisfy करता है. अब what is given to me? That the distance between O and P is R. So what is given to me? Given is OP is equal to R. अब हमें पता है डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अगर मैं लगाऊं, so what is OP? किसी भी दो पॉइंट्स में डिस्टेंस कैसे निकालते हैं? फर्स्ट yes, x minus h का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus k का होल स्क्वायर. So this is equal to R. Yes, this is equal to R. So let me square both the sides. So what I'll get if I square both the sides? So what I get? X minus, yes, so x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. So, yes. So you see, this is the equation which I have found for x and y. So this is the equation which I have found for x and y. So that is the reason this is what? This is equation of circle. So this is the equation of circle with center HK and radius R. So from here, if I ask you, what will be the equation of circle with center 0, 0? So h will be 0, k will be 0. So what will be the equation? X square plus y square is equal to right? Right. So this is what? This is the standard circle, right? With center 0, 0. All right. So let me just So let me just next question then. Okay. So अभी आपने देखा that we have this standard equation of circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So let me expand this equation. Let me expand this equation, right? So what this equation will be? अगर मैं square खोल दूं तो क्या बन जाएगा? X square plus h square minus 2xh, right? Plus y square plus k square minus 2yk, yes, is equal to r square. Yes. So now let me bring the terms of x and y on one side. So what I get? X square plus y square, yes, minus 2hx minus 2ky, right? And let me take the constant term on the last. So what is the constant term? R square. So let me, okay. H square plus k square minus r square. This is equal to 0. Is it fine? Better clear है सबको? Right? Yes. So now you started with a circle, and what was the center of the circle? HK. Center of the circle is HK. So if you see this equation, अगर मुझे h और k चाहिए, can you tell me from this equation number 1 how I can find h? So can I say h is nothing but what? Negative half the coefficient of x. From equation number star, I repeat, coefficient of x is how much? Coefficient of x is how much? Minus 2h. Minus 2h. अगर मैं minus 2h का half कर दूं तो क्या मिलेगा? Minus h. उसको minus sign से multiply कर दूं तो क्या मिलेगा? h. Center मिल गया? Center मिल गया? Right? So you see, yes. So h is nothing but minus half the coefficient of x. Similarly, what will be k? What will be k?
Minus half
coefficient of y. Of coefficient of y. तो आपको क्लास 12th में या 11th में बताते थे ना, बट आपको नहीं बताया ना ये ऐसे क्यों आया? So half the coefficient of x with minus sign, half the coefficient of y with minus sign will give you the center. Is it clear? H and k.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now again, so before I move to this, so if you see equation number star, right? If you see equation number star can be written as, so you consider, so compare equation number star with any general equation. So let us compare an equation star with any general equation. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is what? This is any equation of second degree. Yes. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपने यही इक्वेशन स्ट्रेट लाइंस में भी देखी थी, बट इस इक्वेशन में क्या डिफरेंस है? देखो अब यहाँ पे दो चीजें, अब इफ यू सी, सो लेट मी जस्ट रब दिस वन. So let me just rub this one. So okay now. So if you remember, आपकी जो standard equation of second degree थी वो क्या थी? ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. ये equation किसकी थी? Pair of straight lines किसी केस में. तो बेटा अगर आप देखो, this is also an equation of second degree. And if you see, ये जो हमने नीचे लिखी है कौन सी, मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is also an equation of second degree, right? पहली इक्वेशन जो है, it represents straight line. कब straight line represent करती है? Pair of straight line. कौन सी कंडीशन थी? abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square should be equal to 0. याद है हमने किया था? बेटा याद है
Yes.
that this was the condition that this equation, कौन सी equation, equation number 1, so this equation number 1 represents pair of straight line. अब नीचे वाली इक्वेशन हम बोल रहे हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल है, तो यहां से अगर हम देखें, अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस दोनों इक्वेशंस में? बेटा एक तो यस, एक तो सर्कल की इक्वेशन में एक्स वाई की टर्म नहीं आई, so circle equation will not have the mixed term. Is it clear? XY की term should not be there. And another difference, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Coefficient x
Yes.
square y square.
Or now you see coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square. यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिख रहे हैं? 1 है, but ऊपर क्या है? AB. So this is important that I should say that the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, they should be same. Reason being, अगर ये सेम होंगे, दोनों a होंगे, तो क्या मैं पूरी इक्वेशन से डिवाइड कर दूं a को? तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? x square plus y square मिल जाएगा, right? So basically, yes, right? So let me conclude. So let me conclude. So general equation of second degree. So general equation of second degree. It represents circle provided coefficient of mixed term is 0. Yes. And next is coefficient of x square should be same as coefficient of
Y square.
Is it fine, बच्चे?
Yes.
All of you, right? So अच्छा, before that, तो अगर आपको याद हो, हमने इस इक्वेशन से स्टार्ट किया था, x minus h का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus k का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. हमने कंप्लीट स्क्वायर को ओपन कर दिया था, तो क्या बन गया था? x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2xh माइनस 2yk प्लस
H square
yes plus
X square
plus
plus
K
minus r
is equal
to 0. Right? तो हमने सेंटर को निकाल लिया था. सेंटर इज व्हाट? माइनस हाफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x and minus half the coefficient of y, right? अब अगर आप देखो, what is the constant term in this equation?
h square plus k square minus
K square minus R square.
Right? So let me say the constant term is c, right? So c किसके इक्वल है? h square
h square
plus k
plus
square minus
minus r square.
तो अगर मैं यहाँ से r की वैल्यू निकालूं, let me take r square on one side, so what I get? h square plus k square minus
C.
Yes. So from here, what is r? Let me take under root. Negative sign नहीं लेंगे because r is the distance, r is the radius, and distance is always positive. तो बेटा आप ऐसे निकालते थे छोटी क्लासेस में. रेडियस कैसे निकालते थे? पहले सेंटर निकालते थे, तो h और k निकाल लिया, माइनस हाफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x माइनस हाफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y, राइट? और फिर क्या करते थे? सेंटर कांस्टेंट टर्म उसमें से माइनस कर देते थे. यही करते थे अंडर रूट. Yes, so you see, this is the reason. Girls, clear है? यहाँ तक clear है बेटा सबको? Right? So,
Yes.
okay. So before I move further, बेटा कोई डाउट है बताओ, मुझे मेरे से पूछो. क्लियर है बेटा सबको? गर्ल्स इधर क्लियर है सबको? ओके. So let us consider standard equation of second degree. So you see x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. अब इसमें हमने क्या किया है? कि हमने ना तो मिक्स टर्म ली है और हमने कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y स्क्वायर को क्या लिया है 1 लिया. So we will show that this equation, so this is equation number 1. So equation number 1 represents a
circle. Equation of circle.
yes. So you see what is given to us, x square. X वाले terms एक साथ कर देते हैं. So 1 can be written as so x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Is it fine? बेटा देखो अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम दोनों तरफ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर करेंगे, राइट. सो जस्ट फॉर योर रिमाइंडर, राइट, हम कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर कैसे करते हैं. यस, राइट, वेरी गुड. सो यू सी, हाँ, अगर मेरे पास सपोज मुझे x प्लस जी का होल स्क्वायर बनाना है, तो हमें पता है ये क्या होता है, x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x 2ab प्लस जी स्क्वायर. तो मैथमेटिकली जो टर्म आपके पास नहीं है आप उसको ऐड कर दो, एंड ऑन द सेफर साइड यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दैट टर्म आल्सो. सो इफ यू सी फर्स्ट टर्म में x स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx है प्लस जी स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो मैंने क्या किया, जी स्क्वायर ऐड कर दिया और इधर ऐसे जी स्क्वायर माइनस कर दिया. बेटा क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
सेकेंड टर्म में हमने क्या किया, वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2fy प्लस एफ स्क्वायर ऐड कर दिया, ऐसे एफ स्क्वायर माइनस कर दिया. And what we are left with plus c, so this whole is equal to 0. So now if I combine the terms, so what I get, so first term is so x plus g का whole square plus y plus f का whole square. Let me take constant terms to other side. So what I get, g square plus f square minus c, right? So if you see now, so this equation I can write as what, so just x, so plus g को मैं minus g लिख सकती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
x plus g है, इसको मैंने लिखा x माइनस फिर ब्रैकेट में माइनस g, राइट, प्लस अगेन y प्लस f को हमने लिखा माइनस फिर माइनस f, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. बेटा क्लियर है? एंड लास्ट टर्म को मैंने लिखा जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी, अंडर रूट ले लिया, यस, और अंडर रूट को कवर खत्म करने के लिए मैंने फिर से स्क्वायर कर दिया. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you consider this equation with the standard equation, I'll tell you. I'm coming to this point only. So you see, अगर आप इसको स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से कंपेयर करो, so what is the standard equation जो हमने सर्कल की शुरू करी थी, x minus h का होल स्क्वायर. So x minus h का होल स्क्वायर. So this is the reason मैं बीच में माइनस साइन लेके आई. तो अगर आप उस इक्वेशन को comparing with x minus h का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus k का होल स्क्वायर is equal to r square. So now can you tell me from these two equations what is the value of h? What is the value of h? H is minus g, right? So h is minus g. Again, what is k? Minus f.
Minus
What is r? What is r?
root
G square.
So r का
One
स्क्वायर
minus
हो रहा था, राइट. सो r का स्क्वायर हो रहा था, तो ऊपर किस टर्म का स्क्वायर हो रहा है, सो अंडर रूट ऑफ g स्क्वायर प्लस f स्क्वायर माइनस. दिस इज द रीजन वी टुक अंडर रूट, बिकॉज हमें स्क्वायर बनाना था रेडियस का. यस. सो नाउ इफ यू सी, so if you see equation number 1 written on the top, so equation number 1 क्या थी, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this equation represents a circle. अभी हमने शो किया और सर्कल का सेंटर कितना है -g, तो -g का मतलब क्या हुआ नेगेटिव हाफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. g is the coefficient of x. Is it clear? Similarly, what will be k? K is negative half the coefficient
Coefficient
of
of
y. And what is r? So that is the reason I say कि आप minus g लिखो या plus g लिखो because square हो रहा है r में, तो that will not make a difference. So r is g square plus f square minus c. C is the constant term under. Beta, is it clear? So either
Yes.
अगर आपको circle की equation, so just for practice, just for 1 minute. So whatever we have done so far, ये पहले 2 pages में लिखा हुआ है आपके notes, ये मैंने आपको share करा, right? So okay. So before we move to this, so if you see, obviously this will be a good circle. So हमें पता है, अगर आप देखो, if I just draw one point, so if I ask you, what is this circle? Is this a circle? So I can say yes. A point is also a circle with radius 0. With radius 0. But in ideal situation, it's not a circle. Circle means a positive distance, right? So for a real radius or for a genuine circle, your radius should be positive. For a genuine circle, your radius should be positive. So positive का मतलब क्या हो गया? R should be greater than 0, or I can say R square should be greater than 0. Yes, R square क्या बना था? What was R? R was nothing but under root of g square plus f square minus c. So when I'm saying R square का मतलब क्या हो गया? G square plus f square minus c should be greater than. So g square plus f square should be greater than c. So you need not learn this. Only thing is radius should be greater than c. So for in case your r is equal to 0, अगर r 0 हो गया तो means you will get a point circle. You will get a point circle. That is just a center. अगर radius 0 हो गया, you will get a point, and that is known as point circle. And in case radius negative हो गया, so means reality में,
तो वो real नहीं होगा.
हाँ, so reality में circle does not exist, but human minds have no imagination, so you can have an imaginary circle, right? So practically it's not a circle. Real life में it's not a circle, but real, अगर हम complex में चले जाएं, तो complex में हमें पता है under root negative sign का defined होता है. So that is the reason आप complex analysis में करते हो, जो plus 2 में किया होगा, तो they say imaginary axis. So actually imaginary means we are just imagining, right? We are developing a theory on imagination. In real life it does not exist. So that is the reason it is imaginary, and that is the reason we say real. Is it clear with all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you see in the next note I have written, so the general equation of second degree represents a circle if the coefficient of x square and y square are same and the coefficient of xy is 0. Is it clear, Bache? Right? So whatever we have done so far is all done from these 3 pages. Okay, so how much time we have? I think so. 1:30 ke hota hai. Okay, so let us do one more article. So next article. So this is another way by which we can find the equation of the circle. So this is another way by which we can find the circle. So we know if we have a circle, we have a center. So any line which joins any 2 endpoints of the circle. अगर circle के ऊपर मैं कोई 2 points ले लूँ, कोई भी 2 points ले लूँ, right? Say A, B, and I join these 2 points. So there are 2 possibilities, right? Say I take one more point, say D. So let me join AD. So जब मैं AD को join करूँगी, so the line does not passes through the center, right? So this is known as chord.
Chord.
Right? So any line joining the endpoints of the circle which does not passes through the center, that is known as the chord. And any line which joins the center, any 2 points of the circle such that it passes through the center is known as diameter.
Diameter.
Right? So here, say suppose the coordinate of point A is x1, y1. Yes. And the coordinate of the point B is x2, y2. Right, so here before that A, B, they are also known as So coordinate of point B are, this is my B. B is x2. So this A, B, they are known as extremities or extreme points of the diameter. So कई बार क्वेश्चन में ये वर्ड यूज किया होता है. और extreme means end point. हम कहते हैं ना मेरा extreme आ गया. So what we say, it's my end point now. इससे ज़्यादा, so extreme means end points. So A and B are the extreme points of the diameter. So extreme means end points, right? So then in that case, so if I know that, so what this article says कि अगर आपको diameter के end points पता है, say the point, one point is x1 y1 and another point is x2 y2, right? Then this article says the equation of the circle is what? The equation of the circle is, so the equation of circle is x minus x1 in one bracket multiplied by x minus x2, yes, plus y minus y1 multiplied with y minus y2 is equal to, is it clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
जब हमें diameter के end points given है, say I give you a question that for a given circle the end points of its diameter are 0, 1 and 1, 0. What is the equation of the circle? Right? So in that case we will use this form. Is the article clear? Right? Proof is very, very easy. I'll do the proof from the notes only so that you see we have written everything. Better clear hai? Shall I move ahead? Okay. So you see, so what we have to find? We have to find the equation of the circle with the coordinates of diameter as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Right? So let A be x1, y1 and B be x2, y2 be 2 points on its diameter. So these are 2 points on the diameter. Okay. And let third point, let us take any third point P whose coordinates are HK. So P, HK is not the center. So this P is the third point which is on the circle. हमारे पास 2 points है diameter के जो given points है AB. Right? अब हमने क्या किया? हमने एक third point और ले लिया circle पे, that is P, which I don't know. Is it clear? Right? So we had AB. So if you can see in the figure, so we have AB. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and let P be any point on the circle. So हमें क्या निकालना है? Basically हमें equation of circle निकालनी है. So as I told you, हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें वो equation निकालनी है जिसको ये point HK satisfy करेगा. बेटा clear है? Because HK lies on the circle. Girls, clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right? So अब जब हम now we are mature enough, तो इस केस में हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम ये नहीं बोलते we will find the equation which HK will satisfy. We will say we will find the locus of the point HK. So locus का मतलब क्या होता है? It is any equation which this point satisfies. बेटा is it clear? और हमने ये point किसके ऊपर लिया है? Circle के ऊपर, right? Right? So जब हम question निकाल लेंगे तो वो equation किसकी आ जाएगी? Circle. बेटा clear है all of you? Right? So you see x1, y1, p and x2, y2. So we have 3 points now, A, B and P. अब आपको याद है slope, अगर कोई भी 2 points given हो, slope कैसे निकालते थे? So if I have 2 points, say x1, y1 and another point is x2, y2. So what is slope of the line joining these 2 points? y2 minus y1
Over x2 minus x2.
minus x. तो अब मैंने क्या किया? मैंने पहले निकाल ली slope of AP. So what are the coordinates of A? What are the coordinates of A? x1, y1. What are the coordinates of P? HK.
x2 y
नहीं, HP के. P की coordinates कितने हैं? HK.
h into
Right? So what will be the slope of AP? You can write it any form. You can write as y1
minus
बेटा clear है सबको? So y1 minus k over x1 minus k.
x2 minus
x1 minus
h.
h. बेटा clear है? Similarly, what will be the slope of VP? What will be the slope of VP? y2 minus k over x2 minus h। अगर आपको याद हो छोटी क्लासेस में डायामीटर से जब आप कोई भी एंगल सर्कल के ऊपर बनाते हो वो एंगल कितना होता था? डायामीटर को अगर आप ज्वाइन करो और सर्कल से दोनों एंड से एंगल बना दो तो वो एंगल हमेशा कितना होता था? 90 डिग्री। A diameter always subtends 90 degree on the circle। तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? एंगल APB कितना हो गया? 90 डिग्री। तो मींस ये जो लाइंस हैं AP और BP ये आपस में क्या हो गई? परपेंडिकुलर। और परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो हम बार बार यूज करते हैं, so product of their slopes should be -1। गर्ल्स क्लियर है? बेटा क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it। So M1 कितनी हो गई? फर्स्ट स्लोप। So y1 minus k over x1 minus h।